Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to set up SIM card lock on Samsung mobile device. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up settings on your mobile device. So you can set the settings and then you need to click. And then here at settings, and then you need to scroll down, find and locate this security and privacy. Alright, so you need to click again the security and privacy. And then here at security and privacy, and then you need to scroll down again, and then you need to find and select this other security settings and then click. And then here at other security settings, so you can see this theft protections, Android safe browsings, and then next you need to tap or click this set up SIM card lock and then click. And then here at set up SIM card lock, so tap lock SIM card and you will be prompted to enter the PIN number, and by default the PIN number will be 1234. So on our right side you can see this button, so you need to turn on, and then pop-ups this lock SIM card. So enter your current SIM card PIN. So we have 15 attempts left. And when SIM card lock is activated, then you can tap on change SIM card PIN to change to a new PIN number. Alright, so once it's activated, then you can click this change SIM card PIN to change to a new PIN number. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on mobile device settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out the latest mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.